This is Real Issues with Ike Lewis. You know how we do it. This is the show we talk about real issues, talk about life, talk about relationships, marriages, generally society and all that borders on human beings. And so we don't talk many topics since. And for a while we pause, but we don't still come back. You know where to get me now. Baklui TV on Facebook, my YouTube channel at Ike Lewis, my Instagram handle at Ike Lewis 27. Reach out to me on all these stuff. TikTok self at Ike Lewis 27. You go see me for there. You go see more videos where I'd already post in case you never see anyone. But right now, the season where we did, so I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. You know what it is now. Compliments of the season. We talk about Christmas Balava. Christmas Balava. This period, things they happen. This period now people they break up. This period now family they get wahala. This period now children now they want hear anything their parents they talk again. This period now people want to pass each other. This period now you they think how you want to carry your children go swimming pool or go park, go somewhere, go jollificate. You want go eatery or somewhere cinema and all that stuff. See, this life according to one of my comedian friend, he said this life now bring. A brain that they use. You do understand? So, may you not go do. They know they carry first for who do Christmas pass, who celebrate pass. They know they carry first. They know they see. Not be you born Jesus. Not be you born Jesus. Not be you be Jesus. Not be you Jesus. Not be you God sent come this world. Not go kill yourself. Now Jesus' birthday we they celebrate. You do understand? So, anything where you like, where you want do, where sweet you, and you know say your hand will fit carry them to do them. The one where your hand not carry to do, not go do, say, man, my friend, they do this, my babe, they do this, my brother, friend, they do this, this family, they do this, and you want to still do your own, constantly do, say, you want show. They know they do show. Look front to January, school fees, they front to house rent, they front to other things, they front where you need to use money do for by the beginning of the year, or not go spend everything where you get now for this season where go just pass. If na rice you see chop. If you see padayam, add join. If na fish you feel kick chicken chop. If na fish kill fish chop. If na chicken kill chicken. If na goat if na cow your hands still reach. If na crayfish self you feel still shopper. They know they carry first for Christmas celebration. Make you take her easy. Nowadays, hold up there everywhere. While they here, this one, they here, people they run up and down, haters, scatter to make sure say things happen. Careful, they look roads there before you cross. May you not go get accident. You way they drive, so free drive this period because the everywhere they choked up. People they go market, they come out for market. Children they cross road, parents they cross road, but they cross road. So free drive this period. May you not go drive, go jam another motor bumper to bumper, or you go jam person where they cross road, or you go run enter market. See the other day now they go, I don't know as the person they drive, he run enter inside one other person's shop. And because people know they that period where they run enter. What is this thing? You want they do say man, they rain, you want they hide, they drink, they do things, they know they drink and drive. Oh, I hope you remember that one. May you not go the hide. When you hide now, you misbehave. You dey piss for body. You dey vomit. You dey drive anyhow. Go run enter any this way you're not supposed to run enter. You know they do like that. Take calm, easy. Christmas go come. Christmas go go. Life continues. You go need to still as you plan for Christmas. You plan for the future. Plan for the next thing you need to do from January. You don't even set your goals yourself what you want to achieve for 2022. What will be your plan for 2022? You don't reason I'm saying, man, these things now I need to do for 2022. Say, okay, I want to marry, or I want to join my education, or I want to learn work, or I want to start business, or I want to do this, or I want to born, or I want to do this. You need to plan all those things. They're not the reason, man, Christmas, you they run, you they do this, you they do that. Take them easy. Take them easy. Wait till you see, you chop. This period too, now people will say, they do say, I be big boy, I know they visit, the one way beneath the call, they'll say, I want to hear. I want hear. You know, they do say, I be big boy and I be big girl. No, I know fear the visit, they go, they chop right. My brother, my sister, I don't reason that thing for life. Say, if you not go, now you they lose. visit, kiele, chop. They fit not come dash you money the way they dash when they say, brother, I want go, sister, I want go, brother, I say I want go. You got to wait for one money way they will come dash you join the rice where you don't shop for the house. Go visit. If na rice they give you, chop am. Anything they give you for the house, chop. They give you mineral drink am. If you stay house now, people cook the food they waste. You sit down, you think say, man, I not feel they work out, but then they go they visit. You dey house, your house go dey boring. Most times, visit, meet friends, and these periods show love. Buy gift, give people. Even me were there, so your mind not tell you say you're supposed to buy me gift. Your mind not tell you say you're supposed to do something for me. You know, your mind not tell you say you're supposed to help sponsor this show. You don't know the reason why we never been on air since. Now sponsorship we dey lack. Your mind is supposed to tell you, say, man, we need to help sponsor this show to make this show they go forward. Show some love to people. Buy gift for people. Handbag, anything you feel buy. A wristwatch, if not chain, if not sweet, if not biscuit, anything you feel buy for somebody, buy this period. Make sure say you show love this period. Show people, put smile on people. Some family, they will never know what thing they want chop now. As I talk to you, you get surplus for house. Share. Give your neighbor. Show love, even that your enemy sometimes where you give them, you know, say you pass them. Show them love. If you show your enemy love, sometimes if you go be like say you dey heap coal of fire for the enemy head. Show love. Buy gift for somebody. Make person feel say, man, the person dey important. Make somebody feel important this period. Me, I dey available for takeout. So if you want to take me out, to give me good treat too. I just dey available. Call me anytime. I'm ready to go. I want just to enjoy myself, enjoy my life this season. No time for hate, no time for quarrel, no time to the vex, no time to the squeeze face, no time to the madam. If your guy no fit do the way if he still do this period, take am easy, small. As he hand reach, make it supply, make una manage run the Christmas and New Year celebration together. No come they want put pressure on your husband, say, hey, now so mama was told buy, papa was told buy this one do this, that one do this one, do this one. You shameless man, you cannot do this. Take am easy. After Christmas, life still day because every man now they calculate the next thing to do. Say January. Whether you go build house next year now, you don't think that one. You're supposed to join and think the school fees where they go pay, you're supposed to join and they think the one where they pay house rent, where you never build your house, they think of a house rent. So you need to help them. Not go they drag man this time. And men too, you know, say this period. All these our babes, they sharp. They sharp, they do things now. They want to find who they want color be, they want collect from, they want take from. Take them easy, no say you get family for us. If you're not the married one, you be boys self take them easy, not go overspend. At the end, you don't think on day for you, babes, suffering meek. These are our guys everywhere. Nothing too much now. As in waiting at the try talk now, be say money not too day on ground now. So babes, wanna take them easy on our guys too. We're not gonna go overstretch them. Can't stress, can't lean because of say Christmas now they want to do for you or they want to buy you something just to satisfy you. So everybody take them easy, jeje. This period now some people go suffer heartbreak. We know that one. You know when some of all these our guys don't they come from Jan, they come what they do, they impress, they oppress, they do that one. You wait till say your babe there with you before don't they shift to base. Take them easy. If you want to break up, I don't even advise me you break up. If the thing they work well, not break up. If you want to break up with sense. Not the one I see tomorrow, not feel great. I'm not going to go break up because one person come from abroad. Now you leave your own guy when you're on another day sense. But they help you. I brain. I just make I give you a small advice this period. Because Christmas, there are many more Christmas where we will still enjoy for this life. So if this one not sweet, the other one feels still sweeter than this one. You get? I hope you understand. If you don't get it, forget about it. But don't forget about it. I beg, enjoy this one. Compliments of the season. Merry Christmas and happy 2022. I love you guys. You guys have been amazing. Cheers.